Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious breakfast tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Of course, a good taco begins with a perfect tortilla. So in a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it with your clean hand, then add 3 tablespoons of lard or shortening. Crumble together with the flour till it feels like sand. Then slowly begin to add the hot water. Add it until the flour is hydrated and the dough has come together. The dough will begin to feel sticky, but trust the process and knead for 3 to 5 minutes or until the dough is nice and smooth. Once dough is ready, divide it in even balls, shape it, then cover it with plastic wrap. Once the dough is divided, allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Lightly flour your clean countertop, grab a ball of dough, press it, then using a rolling pin begin to roll each dough ball, going back and forth about 4 to 5 times or until we have our taco tortilla. Place tortilla on preheated comal, allow it to blister, then flip. Repeat with the remaining tortillas. And once we have all of our tortillas, we can now make our CHORIQUESO Papas. For that, cover the bottom of your skillet with oil, set it over high heat, and allow it to heat up. Once nice and hot, add the small diced potatoes, season with total seasoning, a little salt and black pepper. Mix it and allow it to fry for 5 minutes. Then add the diced onion, jalapenos, and chorizo. Begin to break down the chorizo and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the roasted poblano peppers and Roma tomatoes. Then top it with the queso Oaxaca. Allow the cheese to melt and just like that, it's done. So now cook the eggs to your liking. I like to baste my eggs. Once we have our eggs, we can now get ready to put our tacos together. Get your tortilla, our CHORIQUESO Papas, and top it with the egg. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious breakfast tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.